May this new year bring joy and fortune to all our families.
Let's all be grateful this Christmas. We wish you all joy, love, and hope this holiday season. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Mga kapuso!
Gusto ko lang pong magbigay bati sa aking mga kaibigan at pamilya sa Pilipinas, especially sa aking nanay at tatay. Let's all be grateful this coming Christmas.
We want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to our mommy and papa in Eleuterio and Daisy Bella in Cabuya, Laguna.
Ang wish ko po ay mapayapa, maligaya, at masayang bagong taon para sa lahat.
I wish my family good health and happiness this 2025.
I wanted to give a shout out to the GMA Pinoy viewers and say Happy Holidays and Happy New Year.
Let's all be grateful this Christmas. We wish you all love, joy, and hope.
Yan Kapaskuhan. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year mga kapuso. Ganito ang Paskong Pinoy. Punong-puno ang pasasalamat. Yeah!
Ngayong Pasko, tayo magpasalamat sa ating Panginoon at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. We wish you all joy, love, and hope ngayong Kapaskuhan. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year mga kapuso.
Going Pasko and a Happy New Year.
Let's all be grateful this Christmas. We wish you all joy, love, and hope this holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Mga kapuso!
Ganitong Pasko ang gusto nating lahat, Paskong puno ng pasasalamat mula sa GMA Pinoy TV.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year mga kapuso! Ganito ang Paskong Pinoy, puno ng pasasalamat.
We are the Arenas family.
Proud global Pinoys from the city of Los Angeles.
May this new year bring joy and fortune to all our families.
GMA Pinoy TV, the home of global Pinoys.
Bumabati po sa inyong lahat ng maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. From GMA Pinoy TV, the home of global Pinoys.